If you have clients in the logistics and supply chain industries like transportation providers, warehouse operators, freight forwarders, cargo owners, or agents, then you know that marine insurance can be complex, time-consuming, and frustrating to place. Traditional marine markets often require extensive information, take days or weeks to provide quotes, and offer fragmented coverage that requires multiple policies. That's exactly the problem our marine open market solution is designed to solve. This is streamlined marine coverage available around the clock with a quick response infrastructure that provides the logistics industry with cost-effective protection under one comprehensive policy. Here's what makes this powerful. We combine shippers' interest all risks cargo, freight liability, and warehouse liability insurance under a single policy designed to enhance efficiency throughout the supply chain. Your clients get comprehensive protection for their cargo exposures whether goods are in transit or in storage, with coverage for their own interest in the cargo and their liability for cargo they accept from third parties. The coverages are also available on a standalone basis if clients only need specific protection, but the real value is in the combined approach that addresses all their marine exposures comprehensively. This is backed by the strength of the London market with A-rated capacity, giving your clients security and you confidence in placement. Marine open market coverage is designed for specific sectors within the logistics and supply chain industry. Your ideal candidates are transportation and logistics providers, including companies moving goods for others by truck, rail, air, or sea. These are freight forwarders, third-party logistics providers, transportation brokers, and carriers. Warehouse operators and bailies who store cargo for third parties. These are public warehouses, distribution centers, fulfillment centers, cold storage facilities, and any operation that accepts custody and control of others' goods. Road haulers such as trucking companies and motor carriers who transport cargo domestically or cross-border. This is a huge market with significant marine insurance needs that are often underserved. Cargo owners who accept third-party cargoes into their custody or control. These might be manufacturers who consolidate shipments from multiple suppliers, distributors who handle goods for various vendors, or retailers managing inbound freight. Agents like freight forwarders and logistics agents who arrange transportation and warehousing on behalf of cargo owners. They face unique liability exposures for cargo under their care, custody, and control even though they don't physically handle the goods themselves. The common thread is custody and control of cargo belonging to others. If your client touches, moves, stores, or arranges transportation for cargo they don't own, they need marine insurance. And most of them either don't have adequate coverage or they're overpaying for fragmented protection from multiple carriers. Let's break down the two main coverage components. First, shipper's interest all risks cargo insurance. This provides your client the value-added ability to offer cost-effective cargo insurance to their customers. Think about a freight forwarder or a logistics provider who can now provide cargo insurance as part of their service offering. This is a competitive differentiator that also generates additional revenue. Coverage is provided while cargo is in transit and in storage. Whether goods are on a truck, in a warehouse, being loaded or unloaded, or sitting in temporary storage, the coverage follows the cargo throughout the supply chain. The range of coverage is flexible from specified perils for clients who want basic, affordable protection to all risks coverage for comprehensive protection against virtually any cause of loss or damage except those specifically excluded. Here's what makes this agent-friendly: streamlined digital application process. You can get quotes quickly with limited information. No more waiting days for marine underwriters to review extensive shipment details. The online system is designed for speed and efficiency. War on Land extension is available, which is critical for clients shipping to or through high-risk areas where traditional marine policies exclude war-related losses on land. This gives your clients the ability to accept business that others can't cover. The second component is freight liability and warehouse liability insurance. This provides coverage for your client's liability towards the physical loss or damage of cargo they accept into their custody and control, whether in transit or in storage. Here's what's unique. Your client enjoys coverage for consequential loss, on forwarding costs, disposal costs, and defense costs even if such costs have been incurred for claims falling below the policy deductible. That means even small claims get professional handling and cost coverage that would otherwise come out of pocket. Extensions available include contingent cargo coverage, protecting your client if the primary cargo insurance is inadequate or doesn't respond. Errors and omissions coverage for mistakes in documentation, routing, or handling instructions. Third-party liability for damage caused by their operations to property not in their custody. Fines and duties coverage when cargo issues result in penalties. And containers and equipment coverage for the physical assets used in cargo handling. Coverage can be applied under private standing trading conditions that your client uses in their contracts, or under international conventions like the Hague-Visby Rules or CMR Convention for Road Transport. This flexibility means the insurance aligns with your client's actual contractual liability rather than forcing them into a standard policy that may not match their exposure. This is comprehensive liability protection that goes far beyond basic motor truck cargo or warehouse legal liability policies. It's designed specifically for the complexities of modern supply chain operations. Here's why our marine solution is a game changer for your logistics book of business. The streamlined digital application process means you can quote quickly without gathering extensive operational details up front. Our process is designed to get you competitive quotes with limited information, so you can respond to client needs immediately. You have instant access to A-rated capacity backed by the London market. Your clients get the security of strong financial ratings and the confidence that comes with London market expertise in marine insurance. The risk appetite is wide, accepting risks that traditional marine markets might decline or heavily restrict. Large limits are available for both cargo and liability exposures, accommodating clients from small regional operators to major national logistics providers. The cost-effective rating approach means competitive premiums that help you win and retain business. You have a dedicated underwriting team that understands logistics operations and can provide guidance on coverage structuring and risk management. And there's a specialized cargo claims team that handles losses efficiently and professionally, which is critical for maintaining client satisfaction when claims occur. This is marine insurance designed for how logistics companies actually operate today. It's fast-paced, complex, and provides immediate responses. Position this as the modern solution to outdated marine insurance approaches. Marine open market insurance takes the complexity out of protecting logistics and supply chain clients. With shippers' interest, all risks, cargo and freight liability and warehouse liability combined under one policy, streamlined quoting, and A-rated London market capacity, you can provide comprehensive marine protection efficiently and competitively. Review your book for transportation providers, warehouse operators, road haulers, cargo owners, and agents. These clients need marine coverage, and now you have a solution that makes placement simple. Start quoting Marine Open Market today.